Learn English for beginners. I work. I want to go home. Do you work? I wanted to work at night. I work here. I want come down. You work there. I wanted to study French. I work alone. I wanted to go to church. You work from home. I want to sleep now. I don't work at a bank. I want to go to school. I don't work at the store. I don't work at home. I work in the morning. I work in the afternoons. You work at night. I study, but I don't work. I play soccer. Do you play tennis? I play volleyball with my friend. I do not work at night. I only work in the morning. I play the guitar, but I don't play the violin. I play soccer, but I don't play tennis. I do not play guitar. I don't play the violin. I play in the morning. I play soccer, but I don't play volleyball. You play chess with your brother. I do not play the piano. I play in the afternoon. You play at night. In the morning. I work at home. The afternoon. I study at school. At night. I work in a store. I work in the bank. I play volleyball. I play violin. You are welcome.